Would you like to start earning extra income without the hassle of creating your own products? Affiliate marketing offers an easy way to promote items you love and get paid for every sale. What's great about affiliate marketing is that it has very minimal upfront cost and you can do it all from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'm going to get into a step-by-step process to start your affiliate marketing business, including how to find the best programs and create content that motivates your audience to want to buy. I say audience, but I should emphasize that affiliate marketing works even if you don't have a big audience starting out. This is a business that you can see success with even if you're a complete beginner and have 0 followers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button because my whole goal with this channel is to bring you the best methods for making money online, and you're not going to want to miss any of my new videos. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a business model where companies pay a commission to third parties like you and me for marketing their products. Every time you see an influencer on social media promoting a product or hear a podcast sponsor, chances are it's part of an affiliate marketing strategy. The way it works is simple. You recommend products to your audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This is tracked using a cookie that gets stored on your audience's devices when they click your link. You can join affiliate programs directly through individual companies or through affiliate networks that house multiple programs. Some of the best affiliate networks are Impact, PartnerStack, ShareASale, Digistore24, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, 𝗪𝗂𝗪𝗔𝗧, and CJ Affiliate. You can also search for affiliate products by simply typing in a specific niche, such as pets, plus affiliate programs into Google and see what comes up. Let's now get into the step-by-step of how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners. The first step is to pick a niche you love. First, think about what you want to focus on. A niche is just a topic and a group of people interested in that topic, like fitness, travel, or pet care. Choosing the right niche is key to your success. You'll want to pick something that you're genuinely interested in because affiliate marketing takes time and commitment. Think about what topics excite you, where you can offer value, and whether there's a healthy demand for products in that niche. The more passionate you are, the easier it'll be to stay consistent and engaged. Some profitable niche examples include health and wellness, fitness, relationships, finance, business, travel, pets, food, fashion, beauty, and technology. The second step is to choose your platform. For this step, you'll need to decide how you want to reach your audience. Are you a natural writer, for instance? Do you like being in front of the camera? Whether it's through a blog, YouTube, or Instagram, pick a platform that plays to your strengths. If you prefer not to show your face, there are also strategies for doing affiliate marketing without ever having to show your face, even on social media. Whatever platform you choose, the goal is to connect with your audience in an authentic way that drives them to click your affiliate links. If you choose social media such as Instagram and TikTok, creating short-form videos is currently the best way to gain momentum on those platforms. YouTube is also a great place to do affiliate marketing since it is a search engine where people are looking for ideas and solutions. And YouTube is owned by Google, which means that YouTube videos also have a chance of showing up in a regular Google search. Pinterest is also another great place to do affiliate marketing. If you want a specific tutorial on how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing, I will put a link to my video on Pinterest affiliate marketing in the description. The key when choosing what platform to go with is to choose the platform where you feel most comfortable and can create content that resonates with your audience. The third step is to find affiliate programs to promote. When it comes to finding affiliate programs, you want to choose ones that fit your niche and will appeal to your audience. It's not just about picking the highest paying programs, you also want to make sure that the products are reputable and ones you genuinely believe in. Affiliate networks like Impact and ShareASale are great places to start as they vet programs and make it easy to find reliable brands. You can also go directly to your favorite companies and see if they offer an affiliate program. Just type into Google the company name plus affiliate program. It's always a good idea to promote products you've personally used and enjoyed, as your audience will trust your recommendations more. Step number 4 is to create valuable content. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to create content that grabs your audience's attention. Whether it's blog posts, social media content, or YouTube videos, the trick is to provide real value to your audience. Authenticity is everything in affiliate marketing. When you create content that genuinely helps your audience, whether it's through tutorials, product reviews, or how-to guides, you'll build trust and they'll be more likely to click on your links. You want to be consistently delivering content that speaks to your audience's needs and interests. Step 5 is to grow your audience. This takes time and patience. You will not see a lot of engagement right away as you are just getting started. You have to realize that this is normal and it takes time to build a following and for your content to begin to gain momentum. Don't give up after a few weeks when it feels like no one is listening. You need to keep pumping out as much quality content as you can before you will start to see growth. If your audience feels like you're genuinely trying to help them, they'll keep coming back. Don't focus on making a quick buck. Instead, build relationships with your audience and the sales will start to flow naturally. Step 6 is to make sure to follow regulations. In the world of affiliate marketing, transparency is key. The FTC requires that you disclose any financial relationship you have with the brands you promote. So if you're getting paid to promote a product, you need to let your audience know by disclosing that a link is an affiliate link. It's all about being honest with your followers. After all, transparency builds trust. You can simply put the following anywhere you have put your affiliate links. This page, or video, or account contains affiliate links. I will receive a commission if you make a purchase through my affiliate links at no extra cost to you. Thanks for your support. Now, I've just given you a step-by-step guide to basic affiliate marketing. But if you want to see the most success possible with this business model, you're going to need to do more than just post content on social media and direct it to your affiliate links. The best way to do affiliate marketing by far is to use what is called a funnel to capture email addresses of those in your audience and to follow up with them through an email autoresponder sequence to market to them more over time. If you want to know in detail how to do this, I've created a free beginner's guide to affiliate marketing that goes into this important strategy in more depth. This is really the only way to do affiliate marketing if you want to see massive success. I will put a link to this free guide in the description so you can go download it and get started. And if you're interested in knowing in more detail how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing, you'll want to go ahead and watch that video here. And I'll see you in the next video.